Hello everyone! How to choose a programming language. In 2017 in Belarus, Minsk, I was living there. I got a gift, very interesting one, a certificate to pick up programming language. And then I have to choose a programming language from a diversity of different programming languages. My mind gets blowing that, oh my god, there are a lot of different programming language. Which one should I choose? Which path should I take? Right, left, long? I don't know what's going on. That question arises into my mind, and I'm pretty sure that in one stage of your life, even now, maybe you still have the same question, what about which programming language to choose to have a better future, so I can invest, I can earn a good income, and I can feel myself secure in the future. My name is Ahmed Sami. I'm a software engineer. I'm so enthusiastic to share a beneficial knowledge which hopefully going to add a better value for our life. So let's get into our presentation to help you to pick up the best programming language to advance your career and to have a better future ever. Our agenda is so simple. What is programming? What to do with programming, and the criteria which you can apply to pick up the best programming language fits your expectation and your requirements as well. What is programming language? If you are already a technical or you are graduated from computer science, so you know the technical terms of what is programming and the subordinate on everything about what is programming. But let's make a very common explanation. Programming is a way of communication. If you would like to speak with a foreign people, you will speak their language. The same exact way that you would like to speak with a computer to do a specific task, so you will speak one of the programming language which computer use to achieve the goal or the task which you would like to use this language for. Then what to do with programming language? Programming language, you can do a lot of different things with it. For example, personal development. You would like to develop yourself, so you learn programming language. You would like to add value to yourself. You would like to shift career. You would like to land a new job, so you pick up programming language, then you shift your career to this programming language. You have a personal project, you have idea in your mind, and you would like to develop this idea yourself with no help from someone else for security reason or for anything else, so you can also pick up a programming language. Or any different reason, totally is up to you, and this is flexible because everyone has different vision, needs, expectation, so that's what to do with programming language. Getting into the criteria which you are using it to pick up our programming language. One of the most important criteria is the community of the programming language. Who to ask? We have two different kinds of community. We have a local community, we have international community. Both of them are acting similarly. Both of them are ready to help, support, invest in the programming language. When you have a question, there is a chance, the bigger the communities are, the chance that you will get your question answered so fast and accurately. So choose a programming language with a bigger community and diverse community between local and international. That's going to help you advance your education in this programming language. And even when you develop a project and you stuck in some specific question, you will ask, you will get answer fast. The bigger the community are, the opportunity for jobs also will be. When you have a bigger community, and then you will have a bigger opportunities for jobs, that will help you to find your place in this job, and it will be much easier. If you pick up a programming language with a less chance of works or the less jobs offers, it will be too difficult for you to compete between a lot of people that are already applying for this job. So try to pick up a programming language with a high job opportunities, will help you to find a place for you as well. Or if you are ready to invest in a programming language with less job offers, so you are ready to be more experienced, to be the best one for this job, so it's totally up to you. But try all the time to choose something fits your expectation and your requirement for the job opportunities. Then check also the salary. Money talking, my friend. You are working to get paid. You are not working for free. You invest time, you invest energy, you educate yourself, you develop, you do a lot of different stuff to make yourself worthy. So check that this salary will meet your requirements, meet your expectations, and make you satisfied with what you are doing is so important as well. There is nothing for free. So don't give your time, your efforts as well for free. Area of implementation. Check this programming language is implemented where. In how many fields you can find the same programming language exists. Is a desktop application, web application, mobile application, or whatever. The diversity of programming language implementation makes it easy for you to change branches between the same programming language with no need to start over to learn a new programming language from zero. So check it and enjoy it. Then you have to check also the complexity of learning. Try to not pick up a programming language which is complex of learning. It has a complex learning path, then it takes a lot of time for you and effort to learn it. Then after a while, you give up and you start to find something different. Language evolution. Language evolution is so important because if the programming language you pick up is evolved, it means that you will still in the market for longer time. So you will always have a chance to find a better job with time. But if the language you pick up, it didn't evolve at all, it still stand still, so it will die soon and you will lose the chance to evolve, so you will have to start over learning something new. So check the language evolution over time and check if this language is really evolved or not, then pick up it. Also, education level. If you have a technical education, so it could be much easier for you to pick up a language which takes some technically advancement, like you need more mathematics, you need to learn something complex. So your technical education could help. But if you are not a technical education, choose a programming language which could fit your also way of thinking. Programming languages are different, they are diverse, and you can pick up one of them. Not every programming language will have the same approach. So check your education level and try to pick up programming language matching your way of thinking. That will be much easier for you to improve your skills in this programming language. Affordable time for learning. You are a living being. You have time to spend with your family, with your friends, to do a lot of different stuff. So pick up a programming language which you, with your level of cognitive, you can spend, for example, 1 from 2 hours a day to learn this programming language, and in a short period of time, you can already absorb a lot of different information from the language and you can evolve as well. Don't pick up a programming language where you will invest all of your time in this language, then you start losing everything around you. It's not good for your health, by the way. You should balance your life between learning and spending time in different activities at the same time. Age matters. The older we get, sometimes the difficult we can absorb some kind of information. For sure there is exceptions, but try to pick up a programming language which will match your age for different reasons. First one, the faster you learn. When you are old, the faster you can find a job. So don't be old. I don't mean old like this, but I mean that try to pick up a programming language which you will learn it in a short period of time if you are over 30, so you can learn job faster. That's so important for age. If you're still young, you still have time, but don't let time trick you. Don't waste a lot of time on learning, then oh my god, you find yourself already over 30 and you didn't start a job yet. So balance between your age and the programming language you would like to choose. If you have any question, please leave it in the chat, comment section below. I will be more than happy to help you with answering them, verifying them. I don't have answer, I will give you a link, I will send you to articles to read. I will do my best to share with you my knowledge, my expertise. But you should be interactive as well with me and tell me your concerns, so we can think together what will be the best for you, how we can pick up something which will match you specifically. So don't hesitate to leave a comment or question. I will be more than happy to answer you. At the end of this presentation, I have already one video on my channel on YouTube which you can watch about the diversity of programming language, the name of programming language, area of implementations, what frameworks it's used and what's not. I will leave link in the description box below, so please watch it, and if you have any question again, feel free and ask. Thank you so much for your time watching, listening to this presentation. I hope that this presentation added a real value to you, and I hope after this presentation you will be able to pick up the good programming language which will advance your career, give you advantage of salary, make your life much better and more joyful. See you next time. Bye bye.